me float, float, boy, really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you do.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today video gonna be opening up my sister gift from baby shower from yesterday. She got a lot of gifts, guys, so many gifts. So we're gonna do open up gifts and let's see who got the best gift. Who got the best gift? Ready, 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 ready. Where am I gonna put it? And me and my mom, we really appreciate every gift that each and every one gave us. Okay, so let's get in it. Oh, also while I'm opening those gifts, I'm gonna be eating my cake. This is the best cake, like the best bake factory or whatever, the best bakery. It's butter cookie with the fruit on top and on that. Okay, the best. So let's get in. Open up these gifts right now. Sweet, sweet, sweet.
There's another chocolate hair. Hair. You know that kind of you should make them darker.
That's it.
Thank you.
Dana. Dana. Dana.
Buyer, it's a buyer. Buyer.
Oh. My mom purchased this, so this is how to do. This is Pampers.
I'm from it.
My funny. This is a camera, guys.
Make them send us box when them.
Yeah, that was it.
Not yet when she get the crib.
Oh, in the crib you have to take it first?
Just have to when she has sleep, the crib something. Not having space to put it. Yeah, we fix it now. Right.
So you're gonna put this in my new dresser?
Wipes go in this Pampers. Wipes.
A life pack? It's pack?
The camera roll?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can start them up. Stop. Okay, that one is going in there. Okay. Let's see. These are socks, guys. Baby soap. Who is this from, Mom?
Jimmy. My baby.
Wife. This is from my uncle. Uncle Dan.
Mommy.
Oh, this from Mommy? What's this?
Steamer to steam the bottle.
Oh,
So you have to carry it down.
this is from my grandmother, guys. This is bottle steamer. Bottle drainer. This is Pampas organizer. Yes. Peter.
Welcome today.
I purchased this. Now where's my money?
Let me see. This?
Yes. It's the same thing.
This is bottle warmer.
It's in it. Oh, it's the other best. Oh, I thought they get all of these.
Look at the front. You have to read at the front. That's the baby bottle warmer.
Oh.
You gotta read, girl.
And we got from our godmother. Our blessing.
Use a sharp guys.
Baby, shaky, 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 shaky. This is baby carrier from Jonathan, our uncle. Oh, these are just clothes. And last but not least, baby bought. Mom, when are you gonna set up these? When are you gonna set up those?
Thinking about it. Set up now.
And I'm gonna show you guys my gift. Oh, also my mom gave.
Yeah, it's done.
I don't put filter when I'm editing.
We're gonna have that every minute here looking.
So these three are mine. And my mom get gift cards. Where's the pink one? Will you take it up?
No.
Because we leave it in the car.
Oh no, man. Take up 3 of them today.
Oh, you take it up today?
I'll put them back in the bag.
Oh,
Is it tiny?
yeah. Two gift cards.
I've got bread on the box then.
So this is my gift for my sister. My mom didn't know. She's saying I'm lying. I'm not. I have the best gift for my sister. This big box. You know what it is? No. Sister, blessing.
I think what she get.
I got the rain one for you.
You like it back?
It's different.
What you get? What is not this?
The rain one. Rain. So she gonna relax while the shower over. Relax, blessing, relax. This is when she's a baby, and that one is when she gets big. Because you don't want her to drown. I thought Carlos say you have this for Carol too. You have this one? Because I thought he bought this one.
Yeah.
That's why I end up pulling the box. I was like, don't tell me you buy the one with the rain. Because it's 2 on it, right? Yeah.
Same have the one with the rain shower.
Yeah, that's what he said.
And that one is for what?
When she's sitting in it. That's like a sitting tub. That's what it looks like, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. If you guys never see it before.
Stuff, boo-boo.
Newborn.
One of the main things.
Being the whole.
This is what I bought her, guys. Yes, so she gonna relax. You see, baby. They cannot sit in the box by themselves. They put them on top. So guys, this is the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the link down below. Bye.